Hey everybody, welcome back to Wenatchee River Institute's Plant ID mini-series. For this week's episode, we're going to head down to Wenatchee in the foothills with Sarah from Wenatchee Outdoors, our guest naturalist for this week.
Hi, my name is Sarah Shaffer. I work for WenatcheeOutdoors.org. I'm coming to you from Wenatchee, Washington, from the foothills. And today we're going to talk about Big Sagebrush. It's this plant right here. How you can distinguish this plant is by, for one, the size. It can grow up to 7 feet tall. Another way is by the bark. It is a silverish bark that's very woody. And also, if you rubbed on a little piece of the leaf, it has a very interesting, distinctive smell, which sometimes of the year will smell more than other times, just kind of in the air as you walk by it. It also will have little yellow flowers in groups of 3 or 5. And it has these little tiny leaves here, and some of them will have 3 teeth to them, and they'll be in a wedge shape. In our foothills, there are actually a few different types of sagebrush, not just the big sagebrush. And this type of sagebrush, the big sagebrush, has a giant taproot that goes way down in the ground, and that's how it's able to live in such a desert, arid environment. So a great way to know that this is the big sagebrush plant is by its very woody, rustic looking trunk here. So you can see it kind of has some elongated pieces, kind of has some pieces breaking off here. It's kind of a silverish gray color. So that's one great way to know that this is a big sagebrush plant. Another way to know is by this little leaf right here. If you rub it, it has a very distinctive smell. And it's kind of an earthy, almost like a rosemary type smell, I'd say, similar. This is how you can identify it. It's in a wedge shape here. It has its 3 little teeth, and it has the silver gray hairs on, tiny little hairs on the leaf itself. And thanks for watching today. I appreciate it. And please come check out our website, WenatcheeOutdoors.org. Thank you.
Thanks Sarah for that great look at the big sagebrush down in the foothills. We hope that you head out this weekend and try and find that plant for yourself. See if you can identify it by the bark or the flowers, or rub the leaves in between your fingers and see if you can smell that smell. See you next week.